Hello and welcome to Plannr. My name is Emily and today we're going to be looking at creating an automation. Automations help to speed up processes within your business. From any page in Plannr, select Automations from the Business section of the left-hand side menu. Once here, we'll go to Manage and then Blueprints. Here we can see all the current blueprints, how many steps they have, whether or not they're active and what the trigger is. For now, we're going to create a new blueprint for a prospective client. So we'll go to Add New, then Blueprint, and then we'll give the blueprint a name. Now we need to select what triggers the blueprint. As this is for a prospective client, we'll select Client Created. Then we'll add a new condition, so we'll make it that the isProspect field equals to true. This means that whenever a new client is made and marked as a prospect, this automation will run. Once saved, the following page will appear. On the right, you can see all the available blocks to make up the automation. Firstly, we'll add a tag to the client that says prospect. Then we'll create a document welcoming the new client using a template from the document builder. We'll then add a block to send this document. And after this, we'll run a workflow. Finally, we'll add a little delay. We'll just set it to 10 minutes. And then we'll send a text to the client telling them to check the portal. Now we've added all the blocks we want and set it to active, the automation is ready to go. And that's it! You've successfully created an automation in Plannr. If you get stuck at all or need any extra help, the Help and Support tab on the left-hand side menu is always available. Here you can find useful articles as well as messages directly for help.